Do you find yourself frustrated with the meetings that feel more like one-sided lecture than collaborative discussion? You know the drill. Presentation slides keep rolling, and suddenly you find yourself piecing together everyone's expectations, understanding the key priorities, and figuring out the follow-up timelines all on your own. Your valuable ideas and inputs are often overlooked, leaving you questioning the purpose of gathering the team. While not every meeting is as challenging as it is, but have you recently left the meeting with thinking that was the genuinely productive use of time? Or I am clear on everyone's expected action. What if we could reshape our daily meetings into the focused and efficient session, all within the same discussion time frame? How can we enhance team connection and ensure individual focus on tasks? Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Ashutoshsingh Rajput. Today, we are going to explore the lean team meeting as a solution. Behind every great product, there is a team and a plan. It is up to leaders to make the most valuable time together by preparing, facilitating, and following up with the right behavior. Lean team player helping you by simplifying the live team interaction. You can empower teams to work autonomously. We can capitalize on company knowledge, and also we can convert the lean principle into the action. Here, I log into my browser as a manager. I can easily access my dashboard, which have the different apps available. I swiftly navigate to the lean, where I can customize widgets such as playing videos or accessing the slides or adding the PDFs, KPIs, and operational principle based on my project requirement. As I navigate to the project board, I make use of color sticky notes tailored for the department-specific communication, covering the areas such as design, sales, marketing, purchase, and more. Within this system, you can seamlessly generate the various notes, action, and program. You can adapting to the unique requirement of your project. This user-friendly process can be accomplished effortlessly either through conventional keyboard input or for the touch device used by employing the stylus as well. In our collaborative workflow, every problem or action note is thoughtfully assigned to a specific team member for ownership and resolution. The process is user-friendly. You can effortlessly allocate the responsibility by either dragging and dropping the team member onto the node or double-clicking the designated them to corresponding problem or action. This meticulous approach ensures that each identified issue is accompanied by the dedicated action plan, promoting the seamless and effective resolution process within our team. Within our system, problems and action nodes seamlessly integrated into their dedicated widgets, providing an efficient platform to prioritize tasks effortlessly. With a simple click, you can dynamically adjust the size and arrangement of the nodes, and even initiate the new task directly from 3D itself. The versatility extends into incorporating widget for easy access your 3D model in your live meetings. You can enhance your meeting for the readiness. You can strategically select a widget to cover during the meeting, defining the time during the meeting. You can leverage this functionality to eliminate any potential miscommunication as the meeting unfolds, easily adhere to predetermined order, fostering a collaborative environment for the feedback collection from team members. Moreover, during this meeting, team member can actively contribute by generating the real-time notes, sketch, and markups. This interactive feature promotes spontaneous ideation and visual representation, which enriching the dynamic and creative nature of our team discussion. In the conclusion, the tasks generated during the meeting seamlessly transition into the project planning app, which simplify the process of generating the comprehensive project plan. Now, the thought comes in our mind, can 3D experience really help? If we connect the team together on the platform, what does that change? The answer is Regardless of your team member physical availability, we can conduct the meeting from anywhere, anytime, on any device. For more information about this product, feel free to reach out. Let's keep pushing the boundaries of creativity together. Thank you for being a part of our community. Until next time.